3, 2, 1.
Who wrote the book 1984? The answer is A. George Orwell. As a cell grows, its volume increases more quickly than its what? The answer is C. Surface area. What work together in pairs to bend or straighten a joint? The answer is B. Muscles. Which is an advantage of using renewable resources? The answer is C. They will be available for many years. Who was the first person to show that blood moved from the heart to the lungs and back? The answer is B. Ibn al-Nasif. This group's incredible song Wood was featured in the Cameron Crowe film Singles 1992. Other songs by this band include Rooster and Them Bones. The answer is B. Alice in Chains. Which artwork is depicted on the U.S. $2 bill? The answer is D. Liberty Bell. Which fruit is also known as a gooseberry? The answer is D. Currant. Stars form from nebulae of dust and gases. Depending on its properties, a star may become a red, yellow, white, or blue star. Which property determines this star type? The answer is C. Mass. What type of sharpener can sharpen pencils and crayons? The answer is C. Rotary. What kind of celestial body is the 9949 Brontosaurus? The answer is B. Asteroid. What is the study of the stars and planets called? The answer is B. Astronomy. At the end of each Mork and MNDY show, Mork gave a verbal report to the Orkin leader back on Ork. What was his name? The answer is B. Orson. Which actor won a 1988 Emmy for his portrayal of the defense lawyer in one of the TV versions of the 1955 play Inherit the Wind? The answer is A. Jason Robards, Jr. El Al, which is of major importance in Israel, is actually what kind of organization? The answer is A. The National Airline Company of Israel. What is the approximate length of time it takes the moon to complete one lunar cycle? The answer is B. 29 days. Which food is used to make gelatin? The answer is C. Bone broth. What is the word for table in French? The answer is D. Table. Which Disney princess sings the song A Dream Is a Wish Your Heart Makes to encourage her animal friends to never stop dreaming? The answer is B. Cinderella. What is evolutionary psychology the study of? The answer is D, the process of human psychological evolution. Bacteria may divide several what an hour. The answer is B, times. Glucose and fructose are considered this type of sugar? The answer is B, monosaccharides or simple. Other than nitrogen, which nutrient most often limits marine production? The answer is B, phosphorus. What was the iconic accessory in The Devil Wears Prada? The answer is B, handbag. In what country did reconstructive and plastic surgery originate? The answer is A, India. Who won the men's singles title at the US Open 2021? The answer is B, Novak Djokovic. Which of the following is not one of George Costanza's nicknames? The answer is D, T-bone. Which animal has horns but no teeth? The answer is A, rhinoceros. What is the title of Chapter 11 of the book Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets? The answer is B, the Dueling Club. Which scientist discovered the photoelectric effect? The answer is A, Albert Einstein. What does Harry Potter do to be able to breathe underwater for the second task of the Triwizard Tournament? The answer is D, eats gillyweed. What type of poison does Mrs. Marrodine use in Agatha Christie's short story Accident? The answer is B, arsenic. The combustion of propane gas produces carbon dioxide and what else? The answer is A, water vapor. What is the smallest country in the world, but it has an airport with a runway longer than any other airport? The answer is A, Vatican City. What is the band of Ozzy Osbourne called? The answer is A, Black Sabbath. Which famous architect was also a structural engineer and painter? The answer is B, Buckminster Fuller. What character did Danny DeVito voice in the 1997 animated movie Hercules? The answer is D, Philoctetes. What was Drew Carey's mother's first name on The Drew Carey Show? The answer is D, Beulah. How much air do apples contain? The answer is C, 1/25. Which river is also called Sabarmati in Gujarat, India? The answer is D, Kaveri. According to Soylent Green's storyline, what were educated people called in 2022? The answer is A, books. In the movie Anchorman, The Legend of Ron Burgundy, Danny Trejo has cameo as what type of character? The answer is A, a bartender. Which statement identifies an energy source as renewable? The answer is B, wind, because it is always available. True animals are divided into those with radial versus bilateral styles of what? The answer is A, symmetry. Which river flows from east to west in India? The answer is C, Narmada. Which vegetable has long green leaves and is often cooked as spinach? The answer is D, kale. Aside from light, incandescent light bulbs also give off what that wastes energy. The answer is B, heat. Which city is located on the Seven Hills? The answer is C, Rome. What is the name of the active volcano situated in Skamania County, Washington, USA, 50 miles, 80 km northeast of Portland, Oregon? The answer is D, Mount St. Helens. What element is essential for amino acid and nucleic acid production?